Alright, another early morning here on the farm. As you can hear, they're just making noise. It's 6:30 in the morning, and they all want out. There goes Duke. The thing is, everybody thinks that I've got something for them, so they're all going to hang out here right by me for a minute until they realize I don't. Mostly I try not to feed them until at night, so right now all they're going to do is just forage and run around and do what they do. Alright, just wanted to show you what goes on here in the morning. Take it easy.